Oh, welcome back to Watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, of course. So the new makeup we're going to be talking about today is from E.L.F. Cosmetics. They came out with some new brow products and some new cute little bite-sized lip balms. So I'm going to be talking about these newbies today. But before I get into them, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So guys, let's get into these cute little minis. All right, guys, I just wanted to get into the packaging a little bit of this new collection. So I did get all these from the E.L.F.'s website, of course. I do believe these were either $3 to $4, just like the normal little palettes they come out with. Either way, it's under $10. We know that for a fact. I did get the two shades, dark brown and I got black. So with this packaging, again, of course, you get the 4 different sections in there. They do give you 2 kind of like for soap brows. One is not pigmented and one is actually has a color pigment in it. In the back, we do have 2 matte powders. They are for the brows, of course. They are brow powders. One is lighter and one is darker. So these do give you 4 different options for your brows. I thought the packaging was nice and slick, just like their typical eyeshadow little quad palettes as well. I like this small baby packaging. I think this is what's in right now and I like it. I like it nice, small, and convenient. And then we do have the bite-sized lip balms. These are so freaking cute. So I did get all 4. I did get the mint, the coconut, the berry, and the watermelon. It's an all white packaging, a clear little top. It says E.L.F. in the front, bite-sized lip balm in the back. So you just roll up the product and then there is the lip balm right there inside. And then here is the coconut one. Pretty. And then we have the berry one. Pretty, I like the berry one. She's really pretty. And then we have the watermelon. Pretty. They're so cute and bite-sized. I like this. I love mini things. I do like that. I feel like they're more convenient and they're cute. I love that. So guys, that was all the new packaging for the new E.L.F. goodies. So if you guys want to get the demo of the full brows, I did do a dark brown and a black one. So I have 2 different eyebrows on right now. Look pretty good though. And all of the lippy swatches. Just stay tuned. like the brow tutorials and as well as the lippy swatches. I actually enjoyed this cute little mini collection. So let's jump back into the brows. So the dark brown one, I have to admit, y'all, the size and the options they give you with these eyebrow little sets are really, really cute. So the formula of both of these soap and also the powders are so pigmented, and they're very, very, very good. I know my brow, I touched up a little bit in between the video, but nothing too crazy. I believe the pigmented soap is really better than the clear, in my opinion. I feel like you got one or the other. It just, some people just like to fill it in. I feel like this is really good on just a like natural brow. You don't even want to fill in your brow day because it has that pigmented added. That was really, really good. The clear is for when you want to build up. So I did all 4 of them just to see how they all work, and they gave me a brow. This definitely gave me a brow. The powders are pigmented as hell. I say one little dip, it's very, very pigmented. I was like, ooh, I said E.L.F did that. Okay, just a little bit goes a long way. And y'all, I have not used brow powder for my eyes since like, I think 2016, 2017. I haven't done it in years. So this is kind of funny that I'm like, man, it's bringing out memories, but this is better than when I used to do it. You know, the brows were atrocious. But these brow powders are very pigmented, y'all. A little bit goes a long way. Dark brown, I think this is good for anyone that does have just darker hair. I think out of it, the pigmented soap, and then also I have done like the lighter brown because I feel like it's a little more natural. It's a little less intense, but they both are intense. But I feel like those two in the middle were the best out of the palette. But so overall, this little brow palette is fantastic. The black one, she is pigmented as hell. She is a lot, okay? This is so pigmented as hell. This dark color right here, I don't even know how much I had to knock off so much pigmentation and swipe it on my hand over and over to get the pigmentation out of my little eyebrow brush. It was so pigmented. I was like, Jesus Christ, that one, like a little bit, just a whisper, just a whisper over it, just a little over it, and you're like, pigmentation. So if you like an intense black brow, this is it, and it's quite affordable. I think this was fantastic. So this soap black one right here, that for the brow, that dark brown one, well, that dark black brownish one, it is very, very pigmented. I would love to wear it just not filling in my brows or nothing. I would like to test this out when I go jogging. I really want to see if it can hold up during all this Texas heat. The clear, it's just like, again, if you just need, I have to admit, the clear, in my opinion, the clear soap is just, it's just there, but it is good to start your brows off with it, especially if you're like, oh, I'm filling in, or I just want just a natural like soap brow. I wish I got the Auburn one so I can test out and I could have changed a little different hues in my brow and stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm probably going to grab the Auburn one as well, just to collab with these to make all kinds of different darker, lighter, medium, warmer, reddish kind of brows. I love that too. So I love to combine brown products, especially when I used to use brow powders. I love to combine the different colors to make a new brow, but it's like dark brown with a little bit of Auburn in there. I love creating a new brow, even different colors. So these are going to be fun to play with. So with the lip balmies, these are very, very cute. Y'all have to admit, all this new E.L.F launch is very, very cute actually. I loved these little lip balms, y'all. This mint one was really good. It was just very awakening to the lips. It's very, very minty. It's so, so good. This one looks a little extra juicy on the lips. Maybe because it's just the clear, nothing's there, and it's just the mint. I don't know if they put a little plumping in there. I don't know. But it doesn't say plumping on here. I feel like E.L.F, I would know if they plumping. You know, they plump is insane. But I really like this one. I think this mint one was very cute. I think this is good to put on your bag, especially after you eat lunch. Pop this on and your breath's a little more extra fresh. This was really, really cute. And this size is fantastic. Only thing is, I wish these were a little more juicier, but this mint one is like the juiciest one in my opinion. Coconut, she is very, very cute. I like this one. It has that nice warmy honey brown. I think this is very, very pretty on a lot of neutral, very golden or neutral skin tones. It's not nothing too crazy of pigmentation, but it's getting there. This doesn't have a smell, which I'm surprised because it said coconut. And I was like, I was going coconut, y'all. But I didn't get coconut. I'm like, am I crazy? No, this does not smell like coconut. Again, on a bare skin face, you're just out and about, it's sunny outside, pop this on. Nice hydration for the lips. I think this one is a good everyday natural one, just like the mint one. It's like you can wear this anytime, anywhere, any season. It's just that pretty neutral brownie honey color. This one is really good. I just wish it smelled like coconut. That's all. Very. So compared to the coconut one, Coconut one was more of that warmer honey brown undertone everyday look. This one's more that rosy everyday look. It's like a nice pinky rosy. This is not too cool tone underneath as well. It's more of just that neutral pinky kind of rosy lip. Your lip but better kind of look. I like these two. See, I keep mixing them. I don't even care. These are so pretty to mix. But yeah, this one, yeah, she smells like a berry. She smells like it's like a little grapey with a little strawberry. It's like very cute berry scent. It's very, very soft, very faintly there. I like this one. This is your lip but better, but literally a rosy pinky version compared to the coconut one. So this one definitely is another one to pop in that bag and go. Last but not least is watermelon. So watermelon is, well, she smells like the Jelly Pop lippies. So I was right the whole time with the Jelly Pop that those all smell like watermelon. They don't change it, they just change the color. I was right because this smells just like it. So they use the same watermelon batch, but they just put it in a lippy balm version. Not mad at that because I do like that scent. Now I feel like since this is watermelon, that makes sense. So this is a really, really cute shade. This one actually has that burst of that bright, see that bright reddish orange watermelon pink vibe. This is what it gives you on the lips. It's a very pretty watermelon tint on the lip. Y'all, these actually do add a shine to your lip, but nothing too crazy. See, it's just more of a natural kind of glow, a natural little tint to the lips. They give you a cute little amount. See, it's not too much. These are really cute. I keep putting them on. They're just so cute. When you're slapping it all on, it's good, but I wish they did kind of have a divot in it so it can just catch the lip a little bit better. But overall, these are cute. Just pop it on and go. All right, y'all. Overall, guys, with all this new E.L.F. makeup, I was quite pleased with E.L.F. I said, E.L.F. did it. Very cute. They really did it. The brows are very good. And the compactor, they give you two different things for the soap to set your brows, and then they give you the two brow powders. I think that was done very well. I was like, I'm with y'all. I like that. I like that they gave us all those 4 different options, different colors, no color, darker colors. I love it. I think overall though, between the two, I would definitely do the dark brown for my brows because I feel like the black one, she is very intense, but the dark brown one, she's just a little more natural, you know. Either one though, I feel like, hey, I'm gonna mix them. Like I said, I'm gonna get the auburn one, so I'm gonna mix it all up, you know what I'm saying? I advise people to definitely grab at least 2, okay? Because create that brow. You can really create your brow and build it up with all these pocket-sized brow sets. And the bite-sized lip balms, fantastical. I love them all. I feel like they are so cute, compact. They're very fitting to the whole bite-size whole collection. And I think all the colors, and including the mint one, was fantastic. I will definitely be rocking these underneath a mask when I'm going out jogging, when I just need to pop on something during the day on my lips. I will definitely be keeping this in my little mini bag. These are very conveniently sized, conveniently priced, including the brow palettes as well, y'all. And I just think this is a really cute bite-sized whole collection. I think they did well on these 2 products. They really did. Because I was at first thinking, oh, let's see what the lip balm, and I tried the cheek and I was like, But this lip balm, that hit. It was nice. And that brow, that's a real good little mini palette. I was like, E.L.F., you impressed me. I was quite impressed. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know out of the 2, which one did you like? Did you like the eyebrow or did you like the mini little lip balms? So let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.